pretty gang? So we're gonna jump right into the vlog. Don't forget to subscribe. Luffy Ashma, you are our subscriber for today. Turn them notifications on. So as you guys know, I was recently in San Jose for a nail convention, right? So we're gonna kick it off with Friday. So Friday, I was not out there yet. This is the day before, and so I made sure I went to work. I had already did my nails the previous day, but I needed to hook my feet up. So before my client, I went ahead, I soaked my feet, gave myself a pedicure. I did polish them later, but then I had to hurry up and go because I had a wax appointment at 10:45, and my first client of the day actually didn't show up. Well, not that she didn't show up, but like she was running too late and didn't tell me she was running late. So I hurried up and headed over to my waxers, which she's only like 10 to 15 minutes down the road for me. Got snatched, got together, softball, good. So now it's time to go back because, child, I'm supposed to have a client at like 11:50 or whatever. And so I try and hurry back up down the road. I had literally just enough time and made it back literally probably like 2 minutes before my client is supposed to come, right? Now, baby, tell me this. Did you see a client in my seat? Oh, you don't either? Yeah, because I marked her as a no-show, and then 10 minutes later she want to text me saying she's 2 minutes away. Ain't gonna work for me. So what I went ahead and did is finished off my nails, right? And I'm thinking I'm probably gonna do like a little mini tutorial on my nails because honestly, it's a plain set with bling, okay? Not too much into it. I mean, not much went into it, but you know, I had to do what I had to do. So I'm sitting here putting on the bling, and that's when I polished my toes. And at that point, I was like, you know what? I wasn't even mad that my client didn't show up. I was kind of more irritated that if your 10-minute grace period went by and you knew that you knew you was coming, but you wasn't going to be nowhere near on time, why you didn't say nothing? You know what I'm saying? But I mean, it's kind of good she didn't come because then I got to finish up, you know, this little last minute stuff. Because to be honest with you, nails, I be down to the nitty gritty. It like stuff around me be happening to where I'm like, I need to take care of that first and then I finish off my nails. So I was actually pretty happy that I was able to spend this time on my nails and feet, even though this took me fucking 2 hours to do. I don't know where the time went, but nonetheless, I finished, okay? So really quickly, I just want to appreciate everybody who has recently subscribed to me. I do want to point out that I was having some medical issues in San Jose. Okay, I woke up on Thursday. So even the day before this, I woke up on Thursday. My ear was killing me. That whole weekend, it just progressively got worse. It was spread to my jaw. So my ear and my jaw were constantly throbbing, in pain. I couldn't touch it. I could barely eat. Like, it was honestly crazy. I have a high pain tolerance, so I just kind of trooped through it. But you guys, even when I got back in town, like today is Friday, I still have like little effects of it, but yeah, it was crazy, like seriously really crazy. That's why I have not been really uploading or anything on YouTube, although I've been back in town because I've been trying to heal. I almost went to the emergency room, but I was like, I'll do it tomorrow, I'll do it tomorrow, I'll do it tomorrow. And then I woke up after a week feeling okay. So, all right, that's the backstory with that. So after that, I decided I was gonna go to eat. I wanted sushi. This is my favorite place in the whole freaking town, Oshima's. All right, and actually my home girl slash client Deshay, if y'all been on my channel for a while, you know Deshay, okay? She was like, you know what, I'm gonna go with you. So we met up, we got our usual, and I don't know why they split my egg rolls up like this because I was not sharing, but I guess they thought I was sharing, but I wasn't because it was for me and me only, okay? So after that, I rushed home because I said, baby, I gotta pack and I need to pack now, okay? By this time, it was already after 4 p.m. and by the time I got packed and left, I went to my boyfriend's house so we can leave together. And you guys, I realized, dang, I gotta go back and pack my nail supplies, which, fun fact, by the time I got back, all my shit was melted together. I guess the bag, it was really crazy. And then I realized, oh shoot, I need to go ahead and film this little Madam Glam video because they keep emailing me, which you can go ahead and watch that to know how I feel, okay? So by then we left, and at 1 in the morning we ended up stopping at Cane's because that's all we had. Okay, so Saturday, we got to the hotel. By the time we went to sleep, it was 2 a.m. I'm waking up, it's 6 a.m. I got to get ready. Okay, the conference, I'm supposed to be there at like 7:30 minimum. I was stressed the fuck out because it's 7:45 and I was like, this is not professional. I don't want to make a bad, appearance. So, here I am walking through, trying to figure out where the heck we're going. That took a while to figure out where we're going, but I was like, you know what, let me calm down. And by the time we figured out where we were going, I was scared to go in, like not in here, but right here. I was scared to go into that room because I'm like, dang, what if nobody shows up? Like literally, there go my name, 8 to 11. And you guys, I was so surprised. Like people showed up, they were hanging on to my every last word, like taking my advice, like listening to what I wanted to say. Like I have never had so many people wanted to like record me and record everything I was doing. Like, it was honestly such a great experience, and I can't wait to do more of that. This is what I've been wanting to get into. Okay, I am doing a separate video on Nail Pro though, because I have so many clips, so much footage. You know what I'm saying? I feel like you guys would really appreciate that. I'm so blessed and so thankful that this has worked out for me to actually come and do a workshop, a 3-hour workshop at that, to where people were fully engaged. I was like, damn, I can't believe I did that. Like, crazy. And then y'all, that whole morning I was stressed. I had to apologize to my man, like, babe, I'm so sorry that I was stressed and running around. My hair wasn't working out. Nothing was really working out except my outfit, but then I got makeup on it. I was like, you know what, this is just what it's gonna be. Like, it's fine. So I was like very amazed that it was more than just like 2 people there, because I'm like, baby, don't nobody know Peaches. Okay, people do not know me. I know some people. I didn't realize like how many people go there for, you know, the whole day of advanced education. When I tell you, these girls flew out. I'm talking about from Texas, from Mississippi, from girl, for real. So when we got back, we decided I need to take a chill pill, and I wanted to take some pics. So we went back up to the hotel room, and then I decided to go ahead and change because I knew we was gonna go to, you know, a couple malls or whatever. And I did make a dinner reservation that night, so I was like, okay, let's go. It's about 2 o'clock or whatever. So then we decided, like, okay, let's go get some food. So the place that I found is called Sofa Market, and I did not realize that this place was like a little a food court. And actually, this is kind of tight. So basically, that's where he ended up eating, a Vietnamese place. They had a smoothie place, they had a sushi place, they had a Cuban place, which I ended up eating at. Who is texting me? So yeah, it was actually hecka tight. I've never seen this before. It's literally just a food court, like, that's it. So this is where I end up eating, and I was like, dang, this is hecka tight. Like, everything is fresh. And so this is what I ended up ordering: some empanadas, some, you know, plantains, and some rice, and like a little mango drink. Super duper duper good. Like, and then he ended up ordering like a little, what is this, like a vermicelli bowl. So basically, you know, like a noodle bowl. And y'all, when I tell you, and he got egg rolls too. When I tell you all this stuff was bussin', when I tell you this, ooh, take me back. Take me back. No, for real, but take me back, okay? So after we ate, we decided to go to this mall because it wasn't too far away. And so, yeah, we decided to go here. You know, he really wanted to go to the Nike factory. We ended up finding out this was an outlet mall, and I couldn't help but record this. Y'all, why is this a whole damn store of boots? Like, who needs this much boots? Like, yo. So by this time, it's like, okay, we need to get back and get ready for our dinner, okay? And so I basically, I didn't get to record my outfit, but we went to this place called Fleming's, which is a steakhouse. We usually go to steakhouses when we're out of town because it has something for both of us. And you guys, this place was so freaking pretty. I'm not gonna lie, I'm like really, really good at finding restaurants in other cities and stuff like that. And this food was a 10 out of 10. I wore like some cute jeans and like a really cute like top. And y'all, these crab cakes, let me tell you about this sauce on these crab cakes, and let me just tell you about the food in general. When I tell you, this food was so good. But then we end up going to sleep and, you know, falling asleep. So here goes Sunday. So this is the actual Nail Pro convention, and so I needed a Red Bull because the prior day, you know, we got there at 2 in the morning, had to wake up at 6, had a full day of all that. And so they paid for our parking. Nail Pro paid for our parking for this day. So we felt like very fancy, very, you know, bougie. And this is pretty much the actual Nail Pro Expo. So like I said, I'm going to do a whole separate video on Nail Pro on the convention, because if you've never been to one of these conventions, you know what I'm saying? I'll break it down for you, okay? So first of all, I seen the Archon mounts. You guys know I've been looking for a new mount for recording for a while, and I got this one on discount. It was like 110 instead of whatever the price was. And then I walked around, saw some other booths. This booth caught my eye, okay, because I really liked it how they had like chunky, super duper chunky bling in different colors, because that's something that I've been missing, because it's hard to find good quality ones. So this is just my little basket of what I got. And of course we walked around, but you know what, we're gonna see you next year. That's right. And actually they said they're gonna be in my city next year. So after that I said, baby, I'm hungry, like let's go to brunch, let's do something. And so I found this other little place, okay? And so y'all, when I tell you, this place was so freaking bomb, right? So by this time it's like 2 p.m. we are confidently walking over here like this was the entrance, and baby, we was sorely surprised to find out the entrance was right by our car. So this one was like very good. Mimosas, Here go the menu, which is super duper duper good. You guys, I guess they literally have those tall, super duper tall mimosas. So I got me a little mimosa. Nothing crazy, you know, and it was good. It was like guava pineapple is what I got. And here go our food. I got huevos rancheros. I got banana bread French toast. He got French toast combo. And y'all, look at this man plate. He eat like a grown ass man for real. And so then down the street was a dispensary. So I said, baby, we got to go, because the way my ear is out of control, like I need to smoke. I don't smoke often, but usually when I'm on like out of town. Okay, so then we went to another mall, and baby, this little stripper store, this little boutique, this was so cute. I really wanted to buy some panty drawers, but I wasn't feeling good. So then we went to the next mall, and yeah, so we got lost there, I think. And this is my outfit. But yeah, that other mall, we got lost. I was so pissed walking around with my ear hurt. And so we just went to Morton's, because there wasn't like hella places out there. But like at the same time, I didn't want to go to little Asian fusion places or French. And so we just decided to go here, even though we have one in Sac, but we've never actually been. And their food was good. I got this really yummy shrimp pasta, Caesar salad. Okay, we end up getting mussels and onions as a side. It sounds weird, but it's good. Of course, you got a steak. Now, this banana pudding was not that good, but this creme brulee was good. And we got our desserts for free because they forgot some of our food. So Monday, of course, it's time to go home. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I will have more stuff like this coming for you soon. I appreciate you guys. I got to go to work. We went to the mall before we came back home, and I'll see you in the next one.